Hello again, guys. Elijah Brooks here, and I'm back with another LEGO Transformers video. And today, we're going to build the LEGO Transformers 3 Autobot Ratchet set. And I hope you'll enjoy this video. And stay tuned for the size comparisons for LEGO Autobot Ratchet. And here are the building instructions. Let's begin now. Bag 1. First up is the Nest Paramedic. Next up are the legs. Bag 2, the minifigure of Menno from the Bumblebee movie. There, now you have the Menno. Now we'll do the upper torso. So there you have it. Now you have a Lego Transformers 3 Autobot Ratchet set. And I think that this set would look amazing for Lego 2025. And I like how it's all detailed in this new Lego set. Now to compare Ratchet with Ironhide in their full robot modes compared to their size and how tall they are in the movie. And also to compare the length, width, and height of the vehicles, which Ratchet and Ironhide do. Because those Lego vehicle modes of these two Autobots would make a great addition to Lego. So, what do you think? Will Lego make Autobot Ratchet for Lego 2025? Leave your comments and thoughts in the comment section below, because I would like to hear your comments on what this Lego Transformers set will do in Lego for 2025. Now, I bet you're excited about more Lego Transformers coming out every year. Anyways, thanks for watching, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you'll be checking out all my other Lego Transformers sets I have in my YouTube channel. And every other Lego set I have for Lego 2025. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next video, and goodbye.